as you can see there, that moment, Leon Bailey came on in the Europa Conference League in the 68th minute for Diaby. And look at what Leon Bailey is saying. Let me play it again. Just look at what he's saying. Hey, look. We have time. Look, have a look. We have time. So when he came onto the pitch, Aston Villa was losing 2-0. And that would mean, say, the favor of the tie would have gone into Lille favor. So at that present moment when he came on, the game would have been 3-2 to Lille. But what does that message that he came on with and the enthusiasm and the optimistic aspect of how he's approaching the game, what does that message mean to the supporters, not just the supporters, to the players on the pitch? In my view, this is one of the very few times I've seen Leon Bailey portraying the elite mentality. One of the few times, and I'm talking about you can physically, I'm not talking about how you play or whatever, I'm talking about you can literally see the elite mentality being portrayed. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, guys are doing good and everything is okay. So, Aston Villa faced off against Lille in the Europa Conference League. Yesterday evening, the game ended in a 3-all draw. Game ended on penalty. Now, initially, the first leg, Aston Villa won the first leg 2-1. And in the second leg, Lille won the game 2-1. So, you know, so it ended up tied 3-3. But just before Leon Bailey came onto the pitch, the game was 2-0. Just before Leon Bailey came onto the pitch. And Leon Bailey would have come on to the pitch, seeing his teammates looking distraught, heads dropping, and all those things. And the message that he came on with, and this is not a message from Emery. This is totally not a message from Emery. This is more so Leon Bailey saying, hey, we have time. Let's settle down. It's not over. Look, have a look at the time. The game is still early. That is the mentality that he came on with. So just have a look at the time. The game is early. Let's stick to the game plan and things will work out. And Aston Villa did went on to score in the 87th minute. And I think overall it was a good cameo from Leon Bailey. It kind of turned the tempo up a bit with his intensity. He's running behind and just applying some pressure to Lille. Fullback. 1 and 2 times he get past him. But Aston Villa end up score back a goal through Matty Cash in the final moments. I think Matty Cash was the one scored in the first leg. I don't remember. Anyway, Aston Villa definitely got back a goal in the final moments of the game. During the game 3-3, which sent the game to extra time and then to penalties. Even though the one penalty that Aston Villa missed, guess who missed it? Was Leon Bailey himself missed it. Nevertheless, and maybe that has something you have to go work on. I think, I don't know for high-pressured moments, because remember, against USA, we can remember quite a few penalties. I think that's not his first. But remember USA in the Gold Cup, when he missed the penalty and also missed the follow-up, and then now this, especially in a high-pressured moment. Well, you don't know, sir. Even the best of the best, like the likes of Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, do miss penalties. So that's definitely not a slate. But what I'm here to speak about specifically, what I'm here to highlight was just that moment when he came onto the pitch. That moment of displaying the elite mentality of a player at the highest level in the game. In a European Championship, away from home, your team losing 2-0, you're coming off the bench, coming to make an impact, and the moment you came on, you see players, your teammates head dropping down, your teammates looking disgruntled, distraught, look depressed because of the situation. 2 goals down is tough. And you came on, immediately saying, have a look at the clock. Hey, get your head together, get your head in the game. It's not over as yet. And you also went on to put in a very good performance, a really, really good cameo to back up that mentality that you came on to the pitch with. So, in my view, This is a big step in Leon Bailey's part. I think where mentality is concerned, this is one of the biggest aspect of mental fortitude I've seen in the footballing realm. I've seen from Leon Bailey. I'm not talking about when pass or I think I'm talking about football. Because I don't want to come in the comment section and tell me about for a long time. No, I talk about football. And this, especially at the highest level in a European tie. And for him to come on with that mindset and that mentality and also change the trajectory of the game, I have to say, well done. Big congrats in advance into the semi-finals. It's quite huge and well done on your performance. Big up yourself. Until next time, people, tell us what you think about that. Tell us what you think about just that moment and what does that moment mean for the coach and for the players and also for the fans, because it's fans who highlighted this. And I just, I said, let me have a small discussion on it. It's quite important that we understand these things. So, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. If you like the video, you can definitely like it. I'll see you guys next time. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom.